2013 Dodge Charger, AC compressor, removal, and condenser. See, already the AC condensers right there. I'm sorry, the AC compressors right there. Ain't no videos online. I've been sitting there trying to figure out this all day, or like all week for real, because I got stuck. But you only see it's just one screw, two, three, and four. You gotta have get to go ahead and go buy each socket wrench and get that off, make it way easier. Took me a while to do it, but I just paid $10 to get those sockets. I didn't have to even loosen up the tensioner yet, so because it just came off. Make sure you put paper stuff your hoses. I didn't even take the intake off all the way. I just took it off a little bit. Just pluck the hose, as you see, because you ain't gonna find no videos online. Letting y'all know now, this the first one. It ain't gonna be too many. There you go. Here it is. Shit was locked up. Locked up on me. You can see the clutch. She ain't moving. Ain't moving at all. So that's off. The new one is simple. Put it into. Put it back. Make sure when you set it up, you don't sit there and mess with the belt at all. You see mine just came off. So I'm gonna go ahead and look. Put that boy right back on so I know which way to go on. Right there. Boom, bam, bam, boom. And then my next step is to sit there and take off the condenser. And we done. That condenser off. Oh yeah, make sure you get your stuff evacuated. You gotta get it evacuated. You don't gotta pull it to the bottom. Look, I got it raised up. I ain't even need to raise it up. Simple. They wanna charge me $700, $800 at the shop for this. Nah. Just get your own, get it yourself. It's a simple fix. If you got any questions on anything else, I'm gonna sit there and I'm gonna replace this whole thing. This car was not running. Replaced everything. Next is a new transmission to get it to stop kicking. So, anyway, if you got any questions, it's simple. Look, I used this is a let's say 1/2. Is it? Get that off socket for the top. For the bottom, I just used boom. Look, E8, Pittsburgh, Star. That shit's simple. They gonna make it seem like it's hard. I even called the mechanic for any tips because I couldn't get the last ones off. He didn't want to give me tips. He wanted me to bring it to a shop so that way he could fix it himself. So, as you can see, matter of fact, yeah, let's go ahead and just put it back on real quick. Get it into place. I'm gonna do that for y'all, just so y'all can see what I'm talking about. How easy this is. I ain't got a good spot. Hold on, though. I ain't got a good spot. Look at the new one. New boy. Or we actually used one. I got it from a salvage yard. Look like I even got the cable attachment still. Just make no sense. They just cut it off. So we're gonna pull that out. It might be hard to get off like my other one. Yeah, my other one was this hard to get off, so all I did was took the screwdriver. I found my screwdriver. Yeah, so I gotta get this off because this is gonna be a little rough to get it off on this one. Look, and on the one I had when I bought it. All I did was this. All I did was stick the screwdriver in there. Right there. Just plucked it away. I got underneath a little bit, boom. See, already closed off everything. It's closed off. See this up. Make sure you always want to make sure that everything's working. So, see the pulley or the clutch moving. It's turning. It's good. Bad one, good one. Bad one, good one. Bad one, good one. She's alive. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to hurry up so you can just see how easy, quick to see us real quick. Look at this. So just hold on. Bear with me. It's gonna be the fastest video you're gonna find on YouTube anyway, how to do this, because there ain't no videos of the Dodge Charger or anything like this to put on. So hold on. This motherfucker hot. We out here in the middle of summer. Hot out here. All right, set this down real quick. Metal hot. Boy, that metal hot. All right, I see it. Hot. Shit, get in there. Get your little room. Ooh, the hot. Put them hoses, man. Put them hoses out the way. Hoses out the way. Them hoses out the way. All right, y'all. Hold on. My bad, y'all. I can't even see. My bad, Joe. Hoses out the way. Yeah. This motherfucker heavy. That's what it is. Motherfucker heavy. You think it is. Boy, this shit heavy. So once again, put my first one down. Boom. Boom. Getting in there. Mr. Schmidge. Just give me a little bit of breathing. There it is. Ooh, that came out. That shit said, hold on. Shit said, hold on, boy. Boy. Yeah, just hold on for me 1 second. "100 degrees outside. I'm doing this. Hold on, y'all. I think I fell in the car. You know, fell underneath the car. Fell underneath the car, man. Fuck about that. Get on YouTube. Think it's easy and it's ain't. Motherfuckers laughing y'all asses off. This shit hard. Especially holding this motherfucker in. That's the hardest thing. This big, heavy motherfucker. Yeah, there we go. She ain't falling on no more. Whew. That's a little workout. I ain't been to the gym all week. My bad, all month. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't been to the gym all week, all month. Fucking quarantine bullshit. This shit got me sweating like a baby in a fat ass diaper. Get this thing snug going. Yeah. You know what? That's probably one of the hardest parts. Holding that shit up. Second hardest.
got power tools, this won't take you long at all. You ain't got power tools. I ain't that type of guy. Or the regular tools, I ain't got that. Brody want me to give him all that money. He ain't want to even just tell me. Look, snug, 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 snug. All right. If I get this one snug, call it a day on the video. There you go. That's all to it. That's all to it. Oh shit, my button came off. Let me put my belt back on. Cause I believe if you don't need to take the belt off, ain't no point in taking the belt off. Ain't. You don't take it off. Don't work harder than you have to. Can't stress it enough, y'all. Don't work harder than you don't work harder than you have to. So I'm gonna leave that right there. My breaker bar. Breaker bar. Right in shot here. And they're good. Alright. See, I can see it. And then pull it. Got to make sure she's on good. Otherwise, you're screwing yourself. Hard is gonna mess up. You're gonna be assed out. Make sure she is on good. Don't forget, this a cat. This girl purring. Purring. Oh, fucking shit. Fucking kidding. Good. Solid. I think she's solid. 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 All right. That's it. We are finito. Wait, let me find my plug. Put my plug back in. That bad boy back in now. There you go. Done deal.
Dodge Charger air compressor. Bonito. Dodge Charger air compressor. Done. Bueno. Oh, that just snapped off. Look, I got another one.